What's up, YouTube? So, as embarrassing as this is, what I'm about to say, 21 years ago, I bought a camera bag. Yes, I know, 21 years ago. And I've been using that bag every time for the past 21 years. It was time that I got a new one. I live in Canada. One of our biggest photography retailers is Henry's. No, this video was not sponsored by Henry's in any way, shape, form, or fashion. There's nothing like that. I purchased their house brand, Cameron, or Cameron. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. I do have one of their tripods. It's been a phenomenal tripod. Haven't had an issue whatsoever. And I figured it was time for me to get a new bag because I do a lot of mountain biking. Wanted to be able to have something I could just throw over my back. I didn't want a full backpack. I like to travel light. So 21 years ago, when I bought my Pentax MZ7 brand new, is when I bought a Lowe Pro Nova 2 all-weather bag. It's a sling, or not sling bag, sorry, shoulder bag, but it's becoming inconvenient because there are times I'd love to bring my camera with me and I can't. So anyway, let's get on to the before and after, shall we? So, what I've got here is the, Nova 1 bag, actually. So the Nova 1 is this bag here. It's very compact. Can keep a lens. Bam. Keep a lens, keep some accessories in the other pocket here. It's got a top. Closable thing. It also has a secondary bag, which I don't have here. I believe that's upstairs, but anyway. So I've got, have my microfiber cleaning cloth. It's got side pockets. I mean, it's been a really, really good bag, especially since I bought it brand new in 1999. And I've got a remote. Yeah, it has a front pocket here. All right, so this is what I've been using for the past 21 years. Well, there goes that. Now, let's get into this one, which I just received not that long ago, as in today. Alright, let's see what the big deal is. I'm hoping that this is actually going to work out. So it just comes with the receipt. And of course, these things that I don't have any scissors to break off with, so I'm going to try to use my fingers. There we go. Okay, so it's the Cameron Obsidian series all-weather bag. Comes with a weather cover. It's a quick pamphlet. Nothing big. Okay, so here is... You know what, I probably should have had the other bag up here, but this is a little bit bigger. The other bag probably stopped about here, so it's about this distance. That's about it. Yeah, so this actually, I think it's got it's either a padded compartment or it is either padded compartment or it's got a box of cardboard in here to support it. Wow, okay, so it is the padded compartment. It's really thick, actually. Wow. There's another inside pocket. I don't even know if you can see that. There's an inside pocket where you can slip some stuff on the inside back here. Let's see. Oh, man. Okay, it's got a... Oh, nice. It's got a tripod foot holder, so you can stick your tripod right down here. It's got the strap to hold the Velcro strap to hold the tripod collar piece in place. This is actually going to be pretty nice. And it's got a nice strap on the back. Quick release. So obviously you can sling the bag around. This is actually going to be pretty good. So once the bag is slung, it's got a side pocket as well for some more accessories. There we go. Hopefully that shows it a bit better. And, honestly, the Cameron series of products from Henry's is actually pretty decent. I really like them. The quality is really good. No idea who the actual manufacturer is. for these products, but they are pretty hardy and they work really well. And yeah, if you want to save a buck, that's where I would save my bucks. Okay, and then you've got the inner panel pocket things. You slip your camera in here, a few lenses. Yeah, this is actually going to be really, really nice. So if I just lock it up to there, yeah, just swing out. That's pretty much it, really. Oh, it's got a bottom pack too. Ah, okay. So at the very, very bottom is another pocket. That's a lot of pockets. And here's the weather cover. Just fits right over the bag. All right, yeah, this is going to be pretty sick. I'm excited to use this. I'm gonna take my camera. Now I can literally take my camera everywhere when I'm rollerblading, when rollerblading or biking, hiking. A lot less pressure on my shoulders and my back. And that's pretty much it. So this is the Cameron Obsidian series sling bag. And that's pretty much it. So I'll let you guys know in a future video how I like this one compared to what I was using before. I'm sure I'm going to like this one a lot more. But that's pretty much it for me. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update in regards to my unfortunate lack of wanting to upgrade to a new bag, because everyone's been through it. You get a bag, you don't like it, you wasted your money. It's not like you can just go ahead and return it and then try another bag and then try another one. So I wanted to make sure that, you know, I got the right one. And this has everything that I was looking for, and I hope it works out. Anyway, you guys will see me on my next video. I'm out.